Hi friends, welcome to Remy Family. First of all, I would like to thank all of viewers and subscribers for making our Maldives video successful. And most of our viewers was asking to make this video in English, so we are done it here. Now in future you can watch all our videos in both language, in English and in Tamil. Now we will get into the video. Maldives 5 nights 4 days. In this video we will brief you about our travel experience, how we traveled, how much we spent there, and all those details you'll see in this video. To travel Maldives, we haven't booked any packages. It's our own itinerary. Without any packages, if we travel, we can save more money and explore more local islands too. But it takes bit more research and time. Then if we see about visa, in Maldives, for Indians they are giving 90 days free visa on arrival. For that they require documents or hotel bookings and your return flight ticket. We started from Chennai in Sri Lankan Airways. It's a connecting flight from Chennai to Colombo to Maldives. In Colombo 2 hours layover time. We booked our hotel first day in Hulumale. We reached Maldives midnight, so we are booked for airport pickup from the hotel. From Malé airport to Hulumale, 10 minutes drive by car. We stayed in Highbury Hotel. At night we stayed there. Next day morning we had a complimentary breakfast in hotel, which we had a local breakfast, chapati with tuna curry. It is also called Mas Huni in Maldives. Must try food in Maldives. It's very yummy. It's with tuna with coconut curry. After having breakfast at the hotel, we started to Mafushi. We spent 2 nights in Mafushi. It was raining in the morning, so we took a hotel cab to reach Hulumale ferry point. From there we have to reach Presidential Jetty point. From there you have to reach Willingili ferry point. If you go by walk, it will be around 15 minutes, or you can take a taxi as well to reach Willingili ferry point. On that day we got very lucky. From Hulumale ferry point we got a speedboat which took us directly to Willingili ferry point. From there we went in a public ferry. That speedboat they did not charge us much. They are traveling to that ferry point, so it took us for few dollars. From Willingili ferry point you can take a public ferry to Mafushi Island. The travel time is around 90 minutes and the fare is only USD $3, maximum $3 to $5. There is no online booking for public ferries, so you must go early to the ferry point to get tickets. There for local transport they use ferry. It's like our local bus. In this video you can see opposite side there is a white building. That is Crystal Sand Beach Hotel where we stay. It's opposite to the ferry point. It's a beachfront hotel also. Once we reached, we refreshed and came back down and walked around the island. Mafushi is a beautiful little island. Once we reached back to the hotel guys informed us about a day trip for the next morning. Most of them from the hotel have already booked it. So they said if you would like to join, we will give you a good deal kind of. And they offered us $90 for both. It was a very good deal, so we too booked it. Next day morning we had a complimentary breakfast at the hotel. Once it's done, they asked us to come down and wait by 9 o'clock. Once we all reached, they will provide us the snorkeling equipments. We can choose it. Then the life jacket which is fitting for us. From there we will start in a speedboat to the snorkeling points. It's basically a snorkeling day trip, which they will take us to 5 snorkeling points, sand bank, lunch buffets, snorkeling equipments, life jacket and all inclusive. They will take us in a speedboat. If you go for Maldives, surely you have to go for this kind of day trips, which will show you the beautiful side of Maldives. Here you can see our snorkeling videos. hotel, we went for a walk nearby. We found a restaurant nearby that area. Then we had our dinner there. We had goldfish curry with rice, which is similar to our Indian fish curry. Next day morning, after having breakfast from our hotel, we started from Mafushi to Malé Ferry Point. Once we reached Malé, we went for shopping and we explored the places by walk. Then we had our lunch also there. Once we have finished our shopping, we went to Presidential Jetty Point to reach Hullumale. In Hullumale, we stayed in the same hotel. There we went for stunning white sand beaches and parks. There you have lot many things to do. You can go for scuba diving, snorkeling, island hopping, and even for resort island hopping. It's the best place to spend time there in Hullumale. It's near to the airport as well. Next day morning we booked hotel cab to reach airport. We went back to Chennai in same Sri Lankan Airways. We traveled before the pandemic, so if you are planning to go now to Maldives, do check with the hotels and the airlines before booking. They may ask you for the PCR test and the vaccination record, which the vaccination should be listed in the WHO. Now we will see our overall expense of our Maldives trip. Chennai to Malé return flight ticket for each 15,000. Then 2 nights in Hullumale hotel 6,000. Then 2 nights in Mafushi hotel 9,200 for 2 nights. Then full day trip we went in Mafushi, which is 6,500 for 2. Transportation, all local ferries and cab, everything together 4,000. Then food expenses, mostly we had our breakfast in the hotel, which they gave us complimentary. Lunch and dinner mostly we had in local restaurant. Food expense came to 4,000 for 2. Now if you see the overall expense for 2, it's 59,700. It includes flight, hotel stays, day trip, transport and food expense even. It's for each 29,850. If you would like to reduce your budget more, then you can still go for lesser hotels so that you can reduce your budget. If you would like to go for luxury trip in water villas, it will be a little expensive per night. From there, if you would like to see more local islands, again the transfer will be expensive. And if you wish to stay in Mafushi or in any other local islands, from there if you would like to go for a resort island trips like water villas, you can go for it for a day trip. That will be less than $100 per day for a day trip, and you will be having a lunch buffet and drinks and some of the facilities you can use from there. If you're going in a budget and you would like to explore this, you can do it. Once again, we thank all our viewers and subscribers. Keep watching our channel. Thank you.